Hello everyone. Over the last few months, the SEBI has been bringing in some additional rules and regulations to safeguard retail customers from any potential frauds and the increased volatility in the market. So recently, the SEBI has come out with a circular which on reducing the leverage on intraday trades. However, there were a lot of ambiguities. So today, the SEBI has just put a clarification on the issue around the intraday leverage offered by almost all brokerages in India. So the number one thing is SEBI reiterated all the margins for the trade have to be collected before a trade and also put in a framework and phased adoption for penalizing non-collection of full margins. So let's look how it's affected for the equity and F&O trades. So from the August 1st, the brokers are asked to collect the margin, that is VAR plus ELM, even for stocks. Unlike, so if you take an example of Reliance, the VAR plus ELM for Reliance is around 22%. This means to trade a Reliance for 1 lakh, you need to put up a margin of 22,000, and this means a leverage of 4.5 times. But most brokers give the leverage of up to 20 times for the MIS, and some brokers even collect just 1% and give almost like 50 to 100% margins. So going ahead, all the brokers have to collect the this margin, that is VAR plus ELM, compulsory before the trades, and the penalty for the non-collection will start from December 2020 in a phased manner. So this is the timelines from December 20 to Feb 2021. If the penalty will be 25% of the margin, and from March to May 2021 the penalty will be 50%, and from June to August 21 the penalty will be 75%, and from August 2021 onwards it will be the full margin amount, and the same will be applicable for the F&O trades as well. So the main reason for this is we have seen a lot of cases where people are taking additional leverages and blowing up the account. So this new regulation, SEBI has come up with the new regulations so that the leverage is reduced and helps to protect the retail investors' capital. Thank you for watching.